Hello everyone. Welcome to Labmonk's YouTube channel. How to earn money online from home. I lost my job and in search of another job. Applying everywhere. But no replies from the companies. Can I do some work from home to manage my personal expenses? I am student of biotechnology or any life sciences subjects. I do not have any jobs. What should I do? Hey, Labmonk. I am a biotech postgraduate. I am doing my job. But I need a second income. What should I do? Do you have such questions? Then this is the right video for you. Trust me. Please watch the video till the end. Before that, I have some questions for you. Please answer in comments. Do you have time to think and write something about biotech? Or any subjects you are interested in? Do you know what is content writing? Type yes if you know, and type no if you do not know. Please subscribe this channel now, and hit the like button, before proceeding to watch this informative video and forget to do so later. Content writing is the planning, writing and editing contents to be published online, sometimes offline. It includes any type of contents. Scientific contents, blogging, copywriting, technical writing, long form, social media posts are some examples of contents. What are the importance of content writing? Now, in this era of internet, every information is available online. It could be scientific or non-scientific. We discuss here about scientific contents only, where we, as biotech professionals or any life science professionals, can get benefited. Scientific contents may be related to any research, any news updates or marketing of products of any biotech or pharmaceutical company. It's like the websites show some kind of information to the viewers. Then, what skills do we need to become a writer? If we know how to express or how to communicate, and in document format, then we are in the right track. If you have writing skill, then you can write biotech or scientific, even non-scientific contents. Many of you must know such jobs exist, right? Comment yes if you know about this job and no if you do not know. This job is a full-time or part-time or freelance job, which may be office-based and also available to work from home as per the requirement of the company. Full-time job vacancies are notified timely on Labmonk's notice board. I am assuming here that you know about notice board. If not, then visit labmonk.com or link in the description. Let's talk about how to work from home or freelance basis. Sometimes both are similar kind of jobs, but sometimes completely different. Here, you will be paid for the writing basis. Sounds interesting, right? How many of you know freelance content writing? Please comment. So, nowadays, many people writing contents freelance basis and earning money. As it is a freelance job, you can work full or part-time basis, as per your choice and time. What are the freelance job options available? In life science niche, some of the options are scientific publication editor, magazine writer or editor, science blogger, science journalist, copywriter or copy editor and many more. If you have writing skill, or you can develop such skills, you can get many such opportunities online. Okay, let's say Labmonk platform or labmonk.com will provide such kind of opportunities. Would you like to join? Comment yes if you want such opportunities or no if you are not interested. What are the processes to follow? There are some simple processes to follow to improve your writing skills. 1. Improve your writing skill. We have to write more and more, then check grammatical errors. There are many online courses also available to learn the skill. 2. Start practicing. If you really want to be a writer, practice writing. No matter what you write, but write something, better write something meaningful. Do not copy and paste. Write your own content. Then check errors. Many online tools are available. 3. Share your content on your networking sites or any platform where you get some feedback. Modify your writings as per the feedback. There are many processes how someone can develop and improve the skill. We shall discuss later on this topic. Please comment if you are interested for a video on this topic. How to search a freelance work. Now, assuming that you learn the basic knowledge of content writing, of life science subjects. There are many freelance websites available online, like Freelance, Upwork, Fiverr, Guru, People Per Hour and many others. There are many groups on LinkedIn, Facebook, or other social media and community websites where you can get such kind of offers. There are many ways you can make money by your writing skills. The first and most important step is your interest to write. Hope this video helps you to understand how you can make money even if you are not having a full-time job, or you are a student, or you need a second income. If this video add value to you, then you can share this to your friends or any groups and help them to make money working from anywhere anytime. This is a very small channel. Please like the video so that YouTube will understand that this channel exists. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you are new to this channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon. More bioscience career related videos will be uploaded regularly. Thank you for watching, liking this video and spreading on your social media handles.